Imagine your body as a bustling city, and blood is the delivery service that keeps everything running. Blood travels everywhere, delivering oxygen and nutrients and picking up waste from every cell. Without blood, your cells wouldn't get what they need to survive. Think of blood as a team of tiny workers, always on the move, even when you're asleep. They deliver oxygen from your lungs and nutrients from your food, while also removing waste like carbon dioxide. An adult has about 5 liters of blood, making up around 8% of your body weight. This blood travels through a vast network of vessels, reaching every part of you. Blood also helps control your body temperature and fights off germs. It's a complex, multi-talented fluid that's absolutely essential for life. Let's dive in and see what makes blood so special. So, what's in your blood? It might look simple, but blood is actually a fascinating mixture of many different parts, each with a unique and vital role to play in keeping you alive and healthy. If you looked at a drop under a microscope, you'd see it's a mix of parts, each with a job. Blood isn't just a red liquid, it's a living tissue made up of billions of cells suspended in a watery solution. About half is plasma, a yellowish liquid, mostly water, carrying proteins, salts, sugars, and hormones. Plasma acts as the transport system, moving nutrients, waste, and chemical messengers throughout your body. The other half is made up of cells, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Each type of cell has a specialized function that's essential for your survival. Think of plasma as the river, and the cells as boats, each with a mission. Together, they travel through your veins and arteries, delivering what your body needs and picking up what it doesn't. Red blood cells give blood its color and carry oxygen from your lungs to every cell in your body, making sure your organs and tissues get the energy they need. White blood cells are your body's defenders, always on the lookout for germs and invaders, ready to protect you from infections and illnesses. Platelets are the emergency responders. When you get hurt, they rush to the scene, clumping together to help your blood clot and start the healing process. Plasma's proteins like albumin, globulins, and fibrinogen keep your blood balanced, fight infections, and help it clot. These proteins are tiny but mighty, working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. The right balance of plasma and cells is crucial. If you're dehydrated, your blood thickens and your heart works harder. This can make you feel tired or dizzy, and it puts extra stress on your body. That's why staying hydrated matters. Drinking enough water helps your blood flow easily, delivering oxygen and nutrients where they're needed most. Every part of your blood recipe is important for your health. If even one ingredient is missing or out of balance, your body can't work as well as it should. It's a perfect team, working together to keep you alive. Each part supports the others, making sure your body stays strong and healthy. Blood is a masterpiece of balance, a living, flowing system that keeps you going every single day. Where does all this blood come from? The answer might surprise you. Deep inside your bones. The soft, spongy red bone marrow in your hips, ribs, and sternum is your body's incredible blood cell factory, working around the clock to keep you alive and healthy. Here, special cells called stem cells act as master builders. They have the unique ability to transform into any type of blood cell your body needs. Red cells to carry oxygen, white cells to fight off infections, or platelets to help your blood clot and heal wounds. Your body is constantly sending signals to the marrow, telling it exactly what to make. If you're running low on oxygen, it orders more red cells. If you're fighting germs, it ramps up white cell production. It's a perfectly tuned system, always adapting to your needs. Incredibly, your bone marrow produces millions of new blood cells every single second, ensuring your body has a steady supply to replace the old and worn-out ones. Each type of blood cell has its own lifespan. Red blood cells live about 120 days, white cells just hours or days, and platelets about 10 days before they're replaced. This constant renewal keeps your blood fresh, balanced, and always ready for action, no matter what challenges your body faces. So your bones do much more than just support your body. They're also busy building and maintaining your river of life, every moment of every day. Nutrients from your food like iron and vitamins and signals from your body all work together to help this amazing process run smoothly. It's like a hidden symphony, playing inside you every day, an orchestra of life working silently to keep you strong and healthy. Let's zoom in on red blood cells, the most common cell in your blood. These tiny, disc-shaped cells are packed with hemoglobin, a protein that grabs oxygen in your lungs and delivers it to every cell. Their unique shape gives them a large surface area for quick oxygen exchange. Red blood cells lose their nucleus to make more room for hemoglobin, but that means they can't repair themselves and only live about 4 months. If you don't have enough healthy red blood cells or hemoglobin, you can develop anemia, making you feel tired and weak. Iron is key for building hemoglobin, so eating iron-rich foods keeps your red blood cell team strong. Red blood cells are the ultimate oxygen delivery crew. They keep your body energized and moving. Red blood cells deliver oxygen, but your blood is much more than just a delivery service. It also has a security team, white blood cells, and a repair crew, platelets, working around the clock to keep you healthy and safe. White blood cells are like your body's personal army, always on patrol. They fight off germs, bacteria, and viruses that try to invade your body. Some white blood cells even remember past invaders, so if the same germ tries to attack again, your body can respond much faster and stronger. This is the secret behind immunity and how vaccines work. Vaccines train your white blood cells to recognize dangerous threats before you ever get sick, so your immune system is ready to defend you at a moment's notice. Platelets, on the other hand, are tiny but mighty. Whenever you get a cut or scrape, platelets rush to the scene like a rapid response team, plugging leaks in your blood vessels to stop bleeding right away. They quickly stick together to form a temporary plug at the injury site. Then they release special signals that call in more help and start the clotting process, making sure the wound is sealed. Fibrin threads, like tiny strands of protein, weave into the platelet plug, creating a strong net. This net forms the foundation of a scab, which acts as a natural bandage. The scab protects your wound from germs and dirt, giving your skin time to heal safely underneath. Platelets and fibrin work together as your body's emergency repair team, patching up damage and keeping you safe from infection. Every scab you see is proof of your blood's incredible teamwork and your body's ability to heal itself. Together, white blood cells and platelets are always on the job, keeping you safe from harm and making sure you heal quickly. Your blood is always on guard, ready to fight off invaders and repair any damage. That's teamwork in action, right inside your own body. When you exercise, your heart beats faster and your blood works harder. Regular activity increases your plasma volume, making blood easier to pump throughout your body and improving delivery of oxygen and nutrients. Over time, your body makes more red blood cells, boosting your blood's oxygen-carrying power. This helps your muscles work longer and harder and keeps you feeling energetic and strong. Athletes train to build a better blood supply, but anyone can benefit from being active. Every walk, bike ride, or game helps your blood do its job better. Exercise strengthens your entire circulatory system. Get moving. Your blood will thank you. Blood holds amazing secrets and health clues. Oxygen-rich blood is bright red. After delivering oxygen, it turns darker, never blue. Blood is slightly warmer than your body temperature, helping distribute heat. It also keeps a perfect pH balance for your health. Even your mouth health affects your blood. Gum disease can let bacteria into your bloodstream, impacting your heart. Eating well, staying active, and good hygiene all support healthy blood. Your blood connects every part of you, working non-stop to keep you alive. Understanding blood helps you take better care of yourself. Every choice you make supports your river of life. Blood is your body's ultimate team player. Now that's cool science.